Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing the dreading squishy colouring. Okay guys, I'm going to try and do it without sanding it this time to see if that was a problem last time, and I'm just going to get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with a blue colour. And already you can see that is colouring it so much better. So maybe with these squishies they didn't need sanding, and sanding them was probably the mistake I made with the unicorn. These came in the same packet as the unicorn. It was a set I bought from Amazon for about £12. Don't worry if it's messy at the moment guys, I will neaten it up as I go along. How is everybody today? And I say that in all my videos, but it's very important to me that everybody is well and happy and sane. Not everyone's sane these days. Life kicks the saneness out of you during lockdown, huh? Hope you're all okay. I'm getting kind of fed up with the news. Just my phone bleeps it to me all the time, and I'm like, how do I turn these things off? And I try and go in settings, and it doesn't go away. You know, I actually like the effect of the mixing up. If you look like how it's gone over different things, I actually think it suits it. I don't think I'm going to neaten too much because I actually like the effect it's made. Okay, I think that's going to be too dark, so we want light, beautiful colours, so I'm going to use the purple instead, and I'm just going to try and go over this. Yeah, there we go. I've got some more toy review to do at some point soon, and they will be going on a video very soon. I hope you enjoy the toy reviews guys. I love doing the toy reviews, and I love doing these painting ones. I love everything I do on this channel. I also have another channel with my daughter called MZ's Yumzies, and we do cooking and baking. My life's very busy. So I'm going to give this a gold because I think that's going to look so cute. It's like you take a bite of the beautiful donut and you get a gold inside. Ooh, I like the look of that guys. Okay, so I'm just going to go over this bit because it's went a bit silly with the colour. Okay, I'm going to leave that to dry and just pause the video for a moment. Okay guys, so that's that side done, and I am going to start on this side now, and what I'm going to do is follow the colour around. So we have this, and I'm not going to do it in any particular way. I'm just going to go from the other colour and take it where it leaves me. So then I'm going to make it go to the back to the purple. See guys, I want this to be not totally straight because I want it to be an effect, you know, a nice wavy effect, like just crazy. Okay, so next we have the pink next to the purple. So I'm going to go from the pink in a nice crazy way. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to this bit and then wave it over here, and then the pink ends down here, so I'm just going to move that bit like that. And I missed a tiny bit, there we go. And next we need the yellow, which is going to go from the side and go like this. Okay, and then okay, so the yellow's trapped at that bit, so that's fine. And the red, it's kind of like a dark pink more than a red, but when it's on things it seems to look more red to me. I'm not sure through the camera. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add it to this bit. Okay, that's that bit done. And then now, so what we're gonna have to do is think of a colour here. I guess I'm gonna have to go with the colour scheme. So we're going to go back to this red. And then we're going to have the yellow. Just going to clump it like that. And then we've got the pink. And then, oh, it entwines with the other bit of pink, which is actually quite good because that goes well. Okay, they also have these things on them, guys, so if you want to hang them somewhere you can. Okay, so that's that side done. So guys, now on the dry side I am going to give it some polka dots. I like polka dots, so I'm going to give it some silver and yeah, some silver. Okay, so and some blue. Actually not blue because we've already used that colour, so I'm going to use some like a white effect. Okay guys, so that's the finishing side to this part. I hope you like it, guys. I know it's nothing amazing, but it's very colourful, it's very pretty, and I like it. I know it's not probably everyone's cup of tea, and the polka dot, in all honesty, I'm going to do gold on this bit, but the polka dots I should have done a brighter colour, and I'm sorry for that, guys, but I think it's quite cute, you know? Okay, thanks. Oh, and also I love this bit because it just looks like you're eating into a piece of gold. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, it really helps me and I want to bring you so much more content. Bye!